Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create realistic smoke using Photoshop 2024 in just a few simple steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to add wispy smoke effects to any photo, instantly making your images more dramatic and visually captivating. Whether you want to enhance a moody portrait, add steam to a cup of coffee, or just have fun experimenting, you'll learn a technique you can use again and again. Let's dive right in. First thing, go ahead and open up Photoshop on your computer. If you're new to Photoshop, don't worry. I'll walk you through every step. Once Photoshop is up and running, open a photo you'd like to add smoke to. This could be any image, but think about what would look natural. Maybe a skyline at sunrise, or a cup of hot tea. You can use File, Open, or just drag your photo straight into Photoshop. Take a quick moment to make sure your image is large enough that the details won't get blurry when you start editing. Now, with your image open, we need to add a new layer. Click on the New Layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel, or simply use the shortcut Shift plus Ctrl plus N. This new layer is where the smoke effect will sit. It's separate from your original photo, so you can adjust or erase the smoke without touching the image underneath. Think of this as putting a sheet of glass over your photo where you'll paint the smoke effect. Next, let's make sure your foreground and background colors are set correctly. Look at the toolbar. Your foreground color should be white and your background color should be black. If they aren't, just press the letter D on your keyboard and then switch the foreground to white if needed. The reason we're using these colors is because the filter we're about to use, the clouds filter, will generate a cloud texture based directly on them. White and black create that nice, high contrast smoky look we're going for. Once that's set, head to the filter menu at the top of Photoshop. Go down to render, then click on clouds. Give it a second, and you'll see a soft, cloudy texture appear on your new layer. This is where the magic starts. Photoshop basically takes those black and white colors and creates a randomized pattern that mimics smoke's unpredictable shapes. If you don't love how it looks at first, you can always hit Ctrl plus F to rerun the clouds filter until you get a smoke pattern you like. It's totally normal to experiment a few times here. Smoke is rarely perfect in real life either. Now, let's make the smoke look even more realistic. Go to your Layers panel and change the blending mode for the smoke layer from normal to screen. Just click where it says normal and choose screen from the dropdown. What this does is let the lighter parts of your smoke shine through while the darker areas fade out, making the smoke look like it's floating above your original photo, much softer and more authentic. At this point, you'll probably notice the smoke looks a little too strong or maybe covers parts of your photo that you don't want. This is totally normal. Here's where the eraser tool comes in handy. Select the eraser tool from the toolbar, then use a soft round brush with its opacity set low, something like 20 or 30%. Gently erase away the parts of the smoke that you don't want, shaping it how you like. You can create wisps, clear up faces, or add a swirling effect. This part might take a few moments, especially if you want to match the flow of the image, but take your time. It's the fun part. And that's it. You've now created a beautiful, realistic smoke effect in your photo using Photoshop 2024. And you did it all on your own. If you found this tutorial helpful, please tap the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need more Photoshop tips. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, step-by-step tutorials designed to help you level up your editing skills. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.